In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. After that, tap on Language and Input, Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard, and finally Typing. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. If you want to manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones, or tap on the chosen ones and select one of the available options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!